Hello, welcome to all of you in this session of Indian history. Let us see today Governor Generals of India, which is very important part of Indian history. In the first part of this course, we studied about first four generals of India: Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Sir John Macpherson, and Sir John Shore. Let us see today the Governor General of India after Sir John Shore, and he was Sir Alured Clarke. He was the acting Governor General of India for 2 months. From 18th of March to 1798 to 18th of May 1798. From 18th of March 1798 to 18th of May 1798, who was the Governor General of India? Yes, he was Sir Alured Clarke. And Alured Clarke was also involved in American Revolutionary War and also in Fourth Mysore War. Remember, Alured Clarke was also involved in American Revolutionary War and Fourth Mysore War, and was only Governor General of India for 2 months. After Alured Clarke, the next Governor General of India was Lord Mornington from 18th of May 1798 to 30th of July 1805. After becoming Governor General of India, he learned that an alliance was being negotiated between Tipu Sultan and French Republic. गवर्नर जनरल के अहदा संभालने के बाद लॉर्ड मॉर्निंगटन को यह इल्म हुआ कि फ्रेंच और टिप्पू सुल्तान, जो कि मैसूर का रूलर था, उनमें अलायंस हुई, पॉलिटिकल अलायंस हुई, जो कि ब्रिटिश के लिए खतरा था, ब्रिटिश के मिजाज के लिए अच्छी चीज़ नहीं थी। इसलिए उसने मैसूर पर हमला करके सेरिंगपट्टनम को 4 मई 1799 को कैप्चर किया और टिप्पू सुल्तान को मारा। In his period, campaign of invasion of Mysore was brought to a swift conclusion by the capture of Seringapatnam on 4th May 1799 and killing of Tipu Sultan, in whose period Tipu Sultan was killed. Lord Mornington's period. In Lord Mornington's period, Tipu Sultan was killed. He founded Fort William College, a training center intended for those who would be involved in governing India. लॉर्ड मॉर्निंगटन ने फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज की भी बुनियाद रखी, किस लिए? टू ट्रेन दोज हु वर्क फॉर द ब्रिटिश इंडिया। After Lord Mornington, the next Governor General of India was Lord Cornwallis, and it was his second term. It was Lord Cornwallis' second term as Governor General of India, and he died soon after he arrived in India to act as Governor General of India. In his second term, he was Governor General of India from 30th of July 1805 to 5th of October 1805. After that, Sir George Burlow from 10th of October 1805 to 31st of July 1807 was acting Governor General of India. After death of Cornwallis in 1805, who became the Governor General of India? Yes, he was Sir George बर्लो। सर जॉर्ज बर्लो के बाद लॉर्ड मिंटो आता है गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। फ्रॉम 31 जुलाई 1807 टू 4 अक्टूबर 1813। 31 जुलाई 1807 से 4 अक्टूबर 1813 तक कौन था गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? Yes, he was Lord Minto. And he was Scottish politician diplomat. Scottish politician diplomat। और 1807 से लेकर 1813 तक वो गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया था, लॉर्ड मिंटो। He expanded the British prisoners in the area to the Moluccas, Java and Dutch possessions in the East Indies during the Napoleonic Wars। नेपोलियनिक वॉर्स के दौरान उसने मलक्का, जावा जैसे आइलैंडों पर कब्जा किया और डच लोगों के पास जो इलाके थे उनको भी कैप्चर किया। किसने? लॉर्ड मिंटो ने। उसके बाद गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया अर्ल ऑफ मोइरा बना, जो कि 4 अक्टूबर 1813 से लेकर 9 जनवरी 1823 तक रहा। Who was the Governor General of India from 4th of October 1813 to 9th of January 1823? Yes, he was Earl of Moira. He took the additional surname Hastings in 1790। 1790 में उसने हेस्टिंग्स अपने नाम के साथ जोड़ा। He was overseeing the victory in the Gorkha War 1814 to 1816, the final conquest of the Marathas in 1818। वो गोरखा वार, उसने गोरखा वार 1814 और 1816 देखा है और द फाइनल कॉन्क्विस्ट ऑफ मराठास इन 1818। और 1818 में मराठास ने उसने आखिरकार कब्जा जमा लिया। In January 1817, Hastings led a force in the north. In the south, the army of Deccan under the command of General Sir Thomas Hislop। Under the command of General Sir Thomas Hislop, जो कि कमांडर ऑफ आर्मी ऑफ द डेक्कन था, उसके कंट्रोल में वो नॉर्थ में पहुंचा, साउथ में पहुंचा और अपना कब्जा जमा लिया। कब? इन जनवरी 1817 में। किसने? अर्ल ऑफ मोइरा ने। The Peshwa was defeated by William Fullerton Elphinstone on पूना। पूना के जंग में पेशवा को डिफीट किया गया, शिकस्त दी गई। किसके कमांड में? विलियम फुलरटन एल्फिंस्टन। विलियम फुलरटन एल्फिंस्टन। जनरल सर थॉमस हिस्लॉप, विलियम फुलरटन एल्फिंस्टन, ये दो आर्मी के दो कमांडर थे। किसके पीरियड में? अर्ल ऑफ मोइरा के पीरियड में। Appa Sahib was defeated at the Battle of Nagpur। Appa Sahib was ruler of India and he was defeated at the Battle of Nagpur। Where was Appa Sahib defeated? Yes, he was defeated at the Battle of Nagpur, in the Battle of Nagpur। Hislop defeated Holkar at the Battle of Mahadpur। Hislop, another army commander of British India, defeated Indian ruler Holkar in the Battle of Mahadpur। Okay? And in the period of Earl of Moira. His domestic policy in India was also largely successful, seeing the repair of Mughal canal system in Delhi in 1820, as well as educational and administrative reforms। उसकी इंटरनल जो पॉलिसी थी, डोमेस्टिक जो पॉलिसी थी, वो बहुत हद तक कामयाब रही, क्योंकि उसने इंटरनल डेवलपमेंट्स बहुत सही की हैं। मुगल कैनाल सिस्टम जो दिल्ली में थी बहुत खस्ता हाल थी। 1820 में उसकी रिपेयरिंग की। और उसने खास बात यह की, एजुकेशनल और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स लाए ताकि सिस्टम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम कर सके, सिस्टम अच्छा बन सके, लोगों को फ़ायदा पहुंच सके। He was active diplomatically protecting weaker Indian states. जो वीक इंडियन स्टेट्स थे उनको उसने प्रोटेक्शन दी है और उनके साथ अलायंस बनाकर उसने ब्रिटिश एम्पायर को फैलाया। Thank you very much listening this session carefully. If you like this lesson, then please subscribe this channel and so that we can assist you more enthusiastically and with empathy. If you like this video and have suggestions about it, please comment below down in the comment box. Thank you. Stay safe.